Hi guys, today I am with a new cool subject. It is maths. It is a very knowledge subject and also easy subject because this is very easy. If we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, we will know all the things of maths. So I am telling you about plus. So let me go to question 1. You can guess very much for this question. Okay. Let me tell you this question's answer. Let me tell you the question's answer. This question's answer is 11 plus 130. It is a very easy question. It is equal to 141. So let me tell you why is it 141. Because the plus is like this. The sign is like this of plus. If we will do like this, it will be multiplication. But I am telling you about plus. So plus is the thing. If we add some number in the number, I add 11 into 130. Count 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141. So you can also count and see this. So these are only the question, 4 questions. So this is question 2. It is a very big question. 2000 plus 3000. But it is a very easy question. Let me tell you a trick to do this. Now you know that how plus works. So now let me tell you. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 is a number that not make sense. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0 is 0. 2 plus 3 is 5. So the question would be 5000. Now you know the plus is very easy thing to do. So I am asking you question 3. Please tell me in the comments what is 111 plus 10. Because if I will tell you this question, then you will know nothing about. Then I will only just telling you about the questions. But I will tell you this question. If it would be easy for you, then not. Oh, it is very much easy. But then also, these questions are very easy. You can use the trick in that, which I told you. 2 plus 3 is, tell me, 5. And 0 plus 0 is nothing. So this is. Please tell me in the comments. If I will just tell you about this, then you will not know what is the answer. I will not tell you, because if I will tell you, your brain will not work in these questions of maths? Please tell me in the comments this question. In all the questions like plus, division, multiplication, minus, in these all questions, I will just tell you about how it is, but not tell all the questions. So, guys, please like, share my channel, then you can see my more videos, and please click in the bell icon to see our more videos and more. Bye.